So in today's video, I'm actually here in Phuket Town. I'm inside my hotel room at the An Hotel. And what I thought I'd do is kind of go out there and do a little bit of a walking tour around and kind of explore and see what's going on right around locally. You know, kind of get a feel of, you know, the local population and what other things we can see. So a little bit of trivia. Leonardo DiCaprio, that is known as the beach room, which is room 204, because this was used in the set of the beach back in 2002. This is a really neat hotel, very historical, and it's kind of located right in the mix of things. This is the lobby area. Gonna bring you right outside. So this week is really neat because they have the vegetarian festival. So they're gonna have a lot of displays, and apparently there's supposed to be a parade tomorrow. So I'm looking forward to that. Let's take a walk down here. You just love these buildings. Not far from my hotel. This is kind of like the old part of the town. So they got all these other vendors out because of the festival. And it looks like there's a lot more down this way. So let's take a walk down there and see what's going on that way. I do plan on coming out here tonight too. See what's going on in the evening hours. Be a lot of fun. It's a beautiful day out. A little bit of cloud action. And they already have the prices already displayed. Let's see what's happening here. Very tight road. So I think this, you know, it's all part of the vegetarian festival, so it's nice how they got all these vendors out, and it looks like they're just getting ready to put them out. But I'm going to make my way back to another road called Talang Road. Look at all this. Is a deep fried corn, taro, mini tofu. Spring rolls. Wow. Everything's like clearly marked. How about that? Wow, look at all this food. Pad Thai, everything. Can't believe they have this road still open. I mean, probably close it later, I imagine. All part of the vegetarian festival. Wow, I got a traffic jam up here. Let's see if I can get around here. Not even moving. A lot of fried stuff though. Look at this. And you can see how crowded it is. I love doing walking tours. I do in whatever country I'm in. gazillion motorcycles everywhere. I don't know what that is. It's like some type of candy, maybe. I will come through here again in the evening now. This has got to be really rocking tonight. So this is like right there by the shrine. You can see that. We'll go inside this shrine here. To go inside. So that was really neat to see that inside this shrine. So after a visit to the shrine, continue our little walk and explore around. This is really fun. I love doing this. One thing of my favorite activities is just walking around any city that I am in. I just absolutely love it. So continue my little exploration of Phuket Town. This is a lot of fun. Total enjoyment. Okay, we're gonna head down this road. This is the roundabout. You see that? And leave all those vent area. And let's see, I gotta cross this road, but maybe I'll cross it up there. A lot of traffic. You can see inside these little restaurants. And coming up to Talang Road. It's a pretty cool place. Very historical street. This is where they actually set that night market up. Probably one of the most popular streets in Phuket Town. So you can imagine this road on Sunday is all closed, and it's nothing but food vendors almost on the entire road. I'll put that link in below. You can see what it looks like. It's really quite a market. I think it's one of the most popular markets in Phuket Town, or in Phuket in general. And as you can see, there is no shortage of souvenir shops. They're everywhere. Okay, this by far is the most popular photographed, videoed place in entire Phuket Town. See if I can get my own selfie in there. So you can get your picture, video, put it on Instagram. How cool is that, huh? You can see the little other little restaurants and coffee shops here. Look at this architecture. I just love it. So I'm back on Talang Road. Had to do a little side street there, which is Sui Lemonance, which is, again, looks like the most photographed, videoed street, almost like an alleyway in Phuket, Thailand. Dinner truck. Here I am. Let's stop here at Phuket Town. Well, as I'm doing my little walking tour and get a, what do you call it? Kebab. That is chicken. And I'm gonna get the beef one, man. I'm getting beef kebab. Yeah, she's getting to me right now. All right. This is what the it looks like right here. So kind of a cute little restaurant inside, and I'm really hungry. So this is called the Band 92. That's where I'm at. Talang Road. I actually had one of these kebabs about a week and a half ago. Really good, so fulfilling, and looking forward to it. So this is the beef kebab. Just picked it up. And like I say, it's one of my favorites here. And you can get, you know, chicken, beef. I think they even have pork sometimes, but go with this one. Yeah. That's good. A little bit of a detour. Get something to eat while I'm doing my little walking tour. And it's so awesome to be here because they have so much going on. They got a big parade tomorrow morning, early. And I just love just walking around and seeing all the sights. And I really saw a lot today, so see you in a little bit later. So, back on the road after having a kebab, which is absolutely delicious. Now, doing a little tour of Talong, but I'm gonna make a right when I get up to this road and slowly make my way to my hotel room. But just look at this. But you gotta like this clock museum. It is so cool. And it's got the correct time on it too. This is Phuket Road. So you can really get the full view of what's going on here in Phuket with the vegetarian festival. That's what's happening. So that's pretty neat. It used to be the chartered bank, but I'm not sure if that's the bank anymore. Maybe not. But just to see that is pretty neat. See some other very cool structures here. I will stop at this place. It's got actually fresh juice, and this is pomegranate. And I'll show you what else you can get. They have, oh wow, you got apple, kiwi, watermelon, banana, coconut, and there's no sugar in it too. But I'm going with the pomegranate because it's really good for you. While I'm doing my little walking tour. Let's see, let's go back here. This video of my walking tour here in old Phuket Town. I got back to my hotel, which is right across the street, and it's really been a lot of fun because one, it's the vegetarian festival, and actually saw a lot of vendors and visit some shrines and hit Talong Road at the end. And now time to go back and edit this video. So I hope to see you in my next video from beautiful Phuket Town. So see ya.